Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Lacino. Look at Bitcoin 4-hour chart, double top confirmed. Looks like it's going to be then triggered. It's against the rotation zone, so it's slightly lower probability of this. If it really get back below this low right here, 82.54.66, then we'll start watching for the bigger pullback levels. First key level we'll really be watching is right around, let me show you, right around, let me update this though too. Now zoom back in. We'll be watching first key levels about 81.51, 81.50. Then below that we'd be watching right around about 8,000. That's this little support zone right in here. So those are the two key levels we'll be watching. You can map out, but this is such a small double. I'm just going to be watching the bigger pattern levels instead. To the upside, you can see how it smacked into the 50-period exponential moving average. Also, to the upside, nothing else has really changed on those levels. Let's take a look at that daily, though. So we have confirmed this double top again, double bottom again, going against the rotation zone, so it's slightly lower probability is confirmed. Still waiting for the close above that peak, not yet technically triggered, so this could pull back and then rotate back up. Many times when it's going against the rotation zone, if it's going to work, you'll see it react at one end and then rotate back up and go towards the other end. So the same levels as we discussed yesterday are still in play, working its way out of oversold condition by just sideways to slightly up. We're now going to watch, because remember, when it goes sideways, we watch for the rotation zone to come down, especially the 8, and watch to see if 8 pushes the price. So if we see a big collapse, then we'll start watching. Then it'll form technically a triple bottom, and we'll start watching for the lower price levels. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum running up, spiking through our 184.71 level, and now pulling back, not forming a divergence up there. Still stronger price action, now holding right at the bottom of the rotation zone. If this does not hold, that's this little support ledge right here. So if that does not hold, then we'll start watching for the next area about 170, 150 to 172. That's this little ledge right here and the prior gain level. And then if we fall through there, we'll start watching for about 167. Upward levels, if we get back above 185, then we're watching that we're watching 188 to 191. There's a lot of clusters that we'll have to fine tune as we start going up there. Looking at the daily chart, so you see here, definitely out of oversold condition and running up to the rotation zone on the daily, hitting the top of the rotation zone and moving back down. So that's going to be a very key level. 185 is now a very key level, because a move above that takes us beyond the rotation zone, and we'll then start watching for a return to that 50 right above that 191 level. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.